Imagine one manufacturing business that supplies construction projects, solar plants, electric vehicles, and even modern furniture. And yes, this business can generate over 1 crore rupees in monthly revenue. This is exactly what an aluminium extrusion plant does. With rising demand for lightweight and durable materials, this business is becoming one of the most reliable industrial opportunities today. Why aluminium extrusion now? First, demand is growing across construction, infrastructure, solar, and EV sectors. Second, aluminium is lightweight, rust-free, and recyclable, making it highly preferred. Third, extrusion adds value, giving better margins than selling raw aluminium. Why is aluminium extrusion demand strong in India? Construction and infrastructure use aluminium for buildings and large projects. Solar power needs aluminium frames and supports. Automotive and EV companies use aluminium to make vehicles lighter. Factories use aluminium for machines and structures. Furniture and interior products use aluminium for modern designs. Overall, aluminium extrusion demand in India is growing at around 8 to 10% every year. Because of this strong demand, a well-planned aluminium extrusion plant can generate monthly revenue ranging from 60 lakh rupees to 1.5 crore rupees, depending on capacity and order flow. Top 5 aluminium extrusion business opportunities. 1. Construction profiles used for windows, doors, railings and curtain walls. Demand is steady and long-term. Best for supplying builders and contractors. 2. Industrial profiles used in machinery frames and factory structures. These are customized products with higher profit margins. 3. Solar panel structures. Aluminium frames and mounts are widely used in solar projects. This segment is growing fast. 4. Automotive and EV parts. Lightweight profiles help improve vehicle efficiency. This market is expanding but needs good quality control. 5. Modular furniture systems. Profiles for office partitions, modular kitchens, and display systems. This is a high-margin, design-based segment. A practical roadmap to start an aluminium extrusion plant. Choose an industrial location with good power and transport access. Procure aluminium billets, commonly alloys like 6063 or 6061. Install core machines such as extrusion press, heaters, pullers, cutters, and aging furnaces. Invest in good dies, as tooling decides profile quality. Hire skilled operators and quality inspectors. Complete factory registration, pollution approvals, and GST. Sell directly to builders, fabricators, solar companies, and OEMs. Government support for aluminium extrusion plants in India. When it comes to government support, manufacturing units can benefit from subsidies, tax incentives, and low-interest loans under the Make in India initiative. Additionally, solar and EV-focused policies create a favorable environment for aluminium extrusion businesses. Benefits of aluminium extrusion plant for the Indian economy. First, job creation. Generates employment opportunities across manufacturing, operations, and skilled labor sectors. Second, boosts industrial growth. Supports growth in key sectors like construction, automotive, and renewable energy. Third, sustainability. Aluminium is recyclable, contributing to eco-friendly manufacturing practices. Fourth, export potential. With rising global demand, Indian plants can export high-quality aluminium products. Fifth, infrastructure development. Fuels the construction and infrastructure sector, enhancing overall economic growth. Sixth, promotes technological advancements, encourages innovation and adoption of advanced manufacturing technologies. Common risks in this business and how to manage them. Raw material price fluctuation. Manage inventory smartly and negotiate supplier contracts. High electricity consumption. Use energy-efficient machinery and industrial power tariffs. Quality rejections. Maintain skilled manpower and strict process controls. Customer dependency. Serve multiple sectors like construction, solar, and industrial clients. Aluminium extrusion is not just a manufacturing, it's a gateway to multiple high-growth industries with long-term demand. From construction and solar energy to electric vehicles and modern furniture, this business offers stability, scalability, and strong value addition. With the right location, quality machinery, skilled manpower, and a focused sales strategy, an aluminium extrusion plant can become a highly profitable and sustainable venture. An aluminium extrusion plant is a future-focused business with strong demand and scalable growth. With the right planning and quality control, it can deliver long-term profits. If you found this video useful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want a detailed project report or expert guidance to start your aluminium extrusion plant right now. We can support your business with 30+ years of experience. At NII, our project consultancy services, we provide our services for the preparation of market surveys cum detailed techno-economic feasibility reports for setting up new industries or businesses.